For us, it was critical right from the outset for us to deliver on the design that we envisaged, that we went through the process and selected the right third party to ensure that it translated to our vision. Our customers were telling us they wanted to be entertained. Nola, for us, she's effectively our digital human. It was about coming up with a way to present Nola at the front of the store, so the kiosk in that sense needed to be pretty special. One of the first things that we'd settled on, the store would be digitally ticketed. We wanted to go beyond just putting a digital ticket on the fixture. It was integrated by design into the fixture. The digital screens were all about replacing posters, so carefully placed screens around the store that customers engage with. That means that we do not have to hang posters in the ceiling space. The screens have literally taken over that. A big part of this project was about working not only with 360 to deliver up on concepts, but also our key suppliers. That becomes a real collaborative piece. We don't just deal with 360, we don't just deal with Samsung or fisher&paykell. We actually all have to work together. I think the kitchens are a classic example of really nailing the end brief. This was one of our most complex projects that we've ever been involved in, both from a design perspective, but also just, I guess, the complexities of the build. This project for all of us is one in a lifetime project. To have a key partner like 360 that we knew we could depend on to not only deliver on time, but to our vision, for us was just huge. I think we're all now benefiting from the result, not only based on customer feedback, but just sheer performance of the store.